Hi, I'm Paul Zammit, the Nancy Eaton Director of Horticulture at the Toronto Botanical Garden, and I can barely contain myself because I'm super excited about a very special lecture we'll be having at the gardens this Friday called The Spirit of Dixter. And it is going to be presented by the one and only, the incredible plantsman, Fergus Garrett. Now, I had the pleasure of listening to Fergus and attending a symposium back in February of 2016, and Fergus taught us so many things about the garden, ways to look at it, long-term, short-term. But while I was there were a massive hellebores flowering in the garden. I have very vivid memories of not only what I learned, but of Anna's Red flowering in the garden. Well, I'm very super excited to let you also know that we will have some of these special hellebores available that day at the gardens as well. And what's unique about these hellebores is the positioning of the flowers, outward phasing, large nectaries that the pollinators love, and they also have an added season of interest that many of these hellebores have mottled foliage. And this one in particular is one that I'm super excited called Molly's White. So I do love white in the spring garden, love the color of the green as well, but look at this wonderful foliage. So I hope you're able to join us. Please remember this lecture, you do need to register for it. Space is becoming very, very limited, and while you're there, have a look at these limited edition hellebores.